Hey you! This video will be from my other videos because I'm in a small village right now in Germany and there is no place to shop here. So we will walk around, we will go hiking maybe, and we will take a walk near the lake. There's a lake here, and everyone is coming here to walk near the lake, and they are bringing their dogs or something. I've been here since yesterday, and it's been very amazing. Our room is like this, as you see, and it's a very small, like a pension, not a hotel, but it's very sweet. It's very cozy. I will put pictures of the restaurant below, and you will see. We had a breakfast this morning. It was 19 euros per person. It was quite expensive because there were no such option, and it was open buffet, but no, it's not enough. I want to breakfast tomorrow morning. I will do my skincare quickly. I took a shower. I will do my skincare quickly, and then we will go to Netto, and it's almost 1 kilometer from here. We will go there, and I'm using same products over and over again. I'm a little bit bored of it, but it's okay. I'm looking for them to be empty soon so I can buy the new ones. The weather was so scary yesterday. It was thunder and raining, heavy rain. No sun yesterday, but today it's very sunny but very chill. It's June. It's supposed to be summer and hot, but no. I don't think Germany will be hot ever. Let's do a moisturizer. It's been a very tough 2 weeks. I was in Dresden 2 weeks ago, but I've never been in a hotel since we came from Lithuania, more than 1 month. And it's so hard to be in a truck every time, like at 24/7. You need to get out of the truck every weekend and get in a proper room. As a human being, you need that. I need that. And it's been very depressing to be in a trunk over a month. We go to the Yarman. It's like north shore of Germany, like above Berlin here. And we are in Negast right now. Here is very quiet, very cozy, and there is forest everywhere. My husband is waiting outside. I'm gonna do a quick light makeup and then dry my hair, and then we will go. Wait for me. Quick check before going out. Bershka sweats, baggy sweats, I think. Intimissimi tank top, Uniqlo zipper, and salamander bag, Skechers slippers, but I will change into my Skechers boots right now in the truck. Yeah. Makeup is makeuping. Let's go. Terlik var ya ayağıma zor yürüyorum. I'm going to get some snacky food. Just sandwiches is only on discount right now, and I'm going to get a salad maybe. Yeah, I'm going to get this one with tuna. It's so refreshing. I found something like this. It says frischkäse. That means it's something with cheese, like cheesy bread. And I would like to try this one. Yeah, this is the best taco wrap in Germany. This is the best brand. I love this. It's so delicious and chewy and soft at the same time. It's so good to find this here. And some bread for our truck. We will try tomorrow. And our the Berliners are in discount on sale. We will get 2, maybe 3. I love it. I love. This is the weirdest and cutest thing I've ever seen, I think. No capsule. They're like bowls. Coffee bowls. Coffee globe. Schwartz. So cute. I'm gonna get one of those. It's like yogurt with snacks. One with cookie, one with banana. Oh, I found something like this. It's fish fillet herrings with mango and black pepper cream. I could die if I not try this. I'm going to make a quick sauce suggestion. This is the best sauce that I've ever tasted, I've ever eat, because it goes with every food, like in French fries, fried chicken, even with the beefs, something like meaty. The remoulade sauce. This is awesome. If you have this near you, please stock this one. This is amazing. Of course, I'm gonna get it. It's sour too. Yay! It's finally over. I'm going to get an ice cream to go for the road, for the trip way back to hotel, and then we go. This one. go. Hey you, I'm back. Yes, we will do a quick haul right now. I'm going to try some of the goods that I bought. And I've tried this one. This is iced or hot coffee, and it's with hazelnut flavor. This was very okay. It doesn't taste like an instant coffee at all. It was so delicious, and the hazelnut flavor is quite good. It's quite okay. I couldn't wait for the video, and I tried this one. I bought this because I thought it was with cheese, like a cheesy bread, but it was not. It's not savory. It's not only savory. It's like a little bit sweet. Its bread is amazing. It's amazing. It's just tastes like it's just freshly baked. It's so chewy and puffy. It's very okay, but it's sweet. You can see the cheesy part. This is very good. It's okay. We will live with this. And then I would like to try this Harry Potter gummy bears. Let's open the wrong Weasley or Slytherin. Yeah, I will go with the Slytherin today. I feel a little bit neat. Let's see if it's sour. It's like a little snake, head of snake. It's not sour. It's just a regular gummy bear. Yay, golden snake. It's okay. And then we had Berliners. I'm going to take a bite from this too. No, yes. Amazing. And there is cherry, I think cherry or cranberry jam inside. Amazing. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to rest a little bit more because there is so much fresh air outside and I'm not used to it. I feel a little bit tired. I'm going to rest. Maybe we can go out again and see the lakeside. It seems pretty nice. I will show you the lakeside. And we came to the lakeside. I was so tired. As I said before, I took a quick nap and I just woke up, and then we eat something that we bought from Netto. The sandwich and the salad and the herring can. And then we came to the lakeside, and there is some undesirable young man over there. I hope there are somewhere else to walk around. Yeah, we have a description over here. I have no idea because it's all German. There are some bikers over here. Hello. Yeah. Very nice. But nowhere else to walk around. This is very disappointing. It's okay. You can live with that. There is no place to walk around.
Belki.
This is the place. And this is the restaurant. This is the restaurant. And the reception part is over there too. And then we go to our rooms. It's a different building. Here is very cozy. We did quite a bit rest. It was very okay, but the best part is our truck is with us. So we didn't need to take a luggage or a big suitcase. We are just going to our truck once and twice or 4 times a day and reach all our stuff. And this is the place that our room is in. Isn't it so cute? Very cozy. We are staying room 11 with balcony and view is behind.